check in. On my way down, this is one of the things we're doing on the third day. Hickory Trail. Going down. Nature Trail. Now we're connecting to Deer Trail. So here we go. Now we have to cross a creek. Is this really what we want to do? A creek to cross. Agree to go down a trail. I did not agree to go over creeks, but we're going to make it work. So here we go. Trails to go to. It's called Deer Trail, but I haven't seen any deer, so what's up with that? So we'll see. Maybe I'll see one here, but I haven't seen one yet. I'm one of those people, you tell me it's Deer Trail, I want to see a deer. What do you think? Comment below. Sort of closing in on us. We'll see what's back here. Somehow we got off Deer Trail, and now I'm not sure what trail we're on, but my husband says he knows where he's going. I sure hope so. What do you guys think? Looking around, seeing if there's some deer here. Haven't seen any yet. By the way, we still are on Deer Trail. My mistake. I thought we veered off, but trusting my husband as I do, he looked at the map, and we're still on Deer Trail. So let's see what's down at the bottom here. Down here at the bottom, there's all these broken up logs. Like, I don't know, I think bears do that. So I am being very careful before I get down there. These tree trunks up close. This is most definitely done by a bear. So we have to be careful. It's very hot today, so they're probably not around, but you never know. So let's go check it out. On the hill above us. It's up on the hill above us there. And definitely done by a bear, so we have to be careful. They could be anywhere in here. I gotta pay attention. I'll check in later. Amazing views. It's fun to get back here in nature and just quiet by yourself. Wild mushrooms, risotto, anyone? They have benches on the trail for us. How nice. We made it out of the trail, safe and sound. We'll see what else we're going to do today. That's pretty much the end of our day. We were going to have a campfire and stuff like that, but I showed you that in yesterday's video, so give me a thumbs up, like the video, share if you like, and I will see you tomorrow.